Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with a 6-inch BDS lift kit, sitting on some 20-inch fuel rims with some 35-inch Toyo all-terrain open country tires on there. You've got pocket-style fender flares and bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires. Running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. Soft top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. And you do also have rear airbag suspension. And first, looking into the box, where you have your 2 kilowatt Pro Power on board, so you can use your truck as a form of generator for your tools and equipment. And then looking into the back seat, where you have seating for 3 spaciously and comfortably with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here, with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet, as well as heated rear seats, which can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power telescoping and folding towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at only 5,877 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco behavior, auto start stop status, and driver assistance features. Then you have your truck info with your seat belts, tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and driver assistance features. And then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories. But then moving to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology and lane keeping system, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, your favorite screen for your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, Pro Power on board, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, your hazards, your traction control shut off, and you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector. You have normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Then you have this compartment down here with a USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gear, and can be collapsed out of the way, so you have more room there. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.